Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can scan a snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. So we are going to see two scenarios here. First one, we'll scan a snap code from my laptop, and the second one, we'll scan a snap code from the mobile device only. So let me turn the camera. Okay, and I have this snap code. To scan, just you have to long press on the screen and you will see this pop-up, and you have to tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, and you got the filter. Okay, now the second one, suppose you saw a snap code on your mobile device when you're browsing something. You just have to take a screenshot. Now the screenshot is saved to your camera tray. Now you have to go to Snapchat. Okay, in Snapchat you have to tap here in the search button, and as you can see a Snapchat logo is there on the right hand side of the screen. Tap there and you will see the snap code. Tap on the snap code and you will see the pop-up. Now tap on unlock for 48 hours. Now go back to your Snapchat camera and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can scan a snap code on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.